Telerehab.
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 Telerehab is here. Hi everybody, Angelique here from Proactive Pelvic Health Center. Hope you guys are all staying safe and healthy. I'm here today to talk to you a little bit more about telerehabilitation. We've had a few questions about it. So first of all, what is telerehabilitation? These are sessions that are virtual online appointments, privately held with you and your practitioner or therapist. These sessions are held on an online platform that is compliant with Canadian standards of healthcare and privacy. And you can access this platform quite easily on your laptop, computer, a tablet, or directly off of your phone. Now, if you don't have access to any of these devices, don't be worried. We can definitely set up a telephone consultation or appointment with your therapist. So telerehab sessions are great because it allows us to be able to progress your pelvic health rehab programs. It also allows us to touch base, and if you have any questions at all, we can absolutely answer any and all of your questions. And it also allows us to provide the very important ongoing education that is required with most of our pelvic health rehab programs. So if you'd like to learn more about Telerehab, please go ahead and check out our blog. That link is in our bio. But if you're ready and you want to get started and keep the momentum going with your pelvic health care, please reach out to us. You can contact us via email, give us a call. You can DM us here on Instagram, or you can click on the online booking button in our bio, and you can book directly through our Instagram profile. So if you have any questions, please do reach out. You can leave a comment below. Just another note, insurance providers are all different when it comes to what's covered and the policies that are out there. So please do check in with your insurance provider with regards to coverage on virtual appointments. So we just want you to know that we are here for you. Please do let us know if you need our services, and hope to be chatting with you online and virtually very soon.